everyone, welcome to TradeCypher Gold Light Research. Today is our EOS weekly report covering the period between July 2nd and July 9th. Now, today is the last day of our Gold Light preview. Starting tomorrow, you'll need to sign up for a free trial if you want to get access to these videos. The link to sign up is in the description below. In case you're new here, I'm Vikram, the COO of TradeCypher and our Gold Light Research editor. My fun fact for the day is that my favorite sports team is the Houston Rockets. Long live Clutch City and fear the beard. And if you have no idea what I'm on about, I promise it's not that important. Let's dive in on EOS. So we're giving EOS a hold rating this week. EOS, like most altcoins, is currently underperforming Bitcoin. And news for EOS has been something of a mixed bag. There have been positive signs of adoption, but BTC's rising dominance is just kind of overshadowing everything. Price is likely for a big move soon, but from a technical perspective, it's unclear which way that move will go. But don't worry, we're going to show you how to determine what that move will be and when it will start so you can take advantage of it to maximize your returns. At time of writing, EOS is priced at $5.90. It's remained exactly level over the past 7 days. Price has stayed above the diagonal support level shown, that green line you see on the screen in front of you, but it's failed to break the resistance at $6. That's the red line. Now, see how that gap between the two lines is getting narrower? That's what we're going to use to make a decision. If the price breaks the $6 resistance first, it's time to buy. Price will go from there up to at least $6.30. On the other hand, if price can't keep up with the rising support line, it's going to fall all the way to $5.55 or maybe even lower. So watch the price closely. If it breaks 6, buy. If it can't keep pace, sell. Okay, let's dive in on our news around EOS and take a look at some of the good and the bad from this week. Switch.io has allowed cross-chain atomic swaps between the Ethereum blockchain and the EOS blockchain. If you have no idea what that means, it basically means that it's super easy now to get assets from Ethereum into EOS. And in a similar vein, Block.one, the parent company of EOS, has announced a webinar educating developers on how to take advantage of all of EOS's features. This is really important news because adoption of EOS as a smart contract platform is key to its long-term health. We're actually going to talk a lot about the adoption of EOS in our quarterly report. It's barely a year old, but it's becoming something of a go-to because of how much faster and more powerful than Ethereum it is. EOS recently announced its social media platform called Voice. Voice is supposed to solve the problem that influencers and content creators have on platforms like YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, where they have trouble getting monetization from their followers. However, in order to do that, Voice is going to need to find an audience, and that audience isn't going to be typical crypto people. See, typical crypto people care a lot about privacy and anonymity, and they don't like the fact that EOS is requiring anyone who uses Voice to complete identity verification. Now, EOS is doing